That's actually a great point right there.
You know, just
yeah.
we got to work on this.
All right, that's settled. McAllister gets his own bathroom. Now, next order of business is the video for the kid Zipper.
No.
Bro, come on. It's a quick video. He's been in our community for a while now. The least we can do is make a quick video.
I mean, dude, it's been like 3 weeks. We give him one computer. Who does this kid think he is?
He's literally dying, Jackson. Let's just make the video.
Fine, but I get another dirt bike.
We'll talk about it.
That's the third one this month. The third one this month.
Here's the script for the table read.
Table read? Why do we have to practice something like this?
I've read it, and it's not bad. We probably won't get canceled. Probably. We just need to go over it a little bit.
All right, fine. Whatever. Let's just get this over with.
It was a dark and stormy night down the precinct.
What in the living shit is this?
Jesus, man, what are you doing?
Whatever. I'll just picture a Baja Blast slushy or something. Just keep going.
It was a dark and stormy night down the precinct, and our favorite detective duo was hard at work, but try as they might, they weren't any closer to solving these mob murders that had been making headlines all last
The
month.
mob murder strikes again. It's been killing like crazy, and the commissioner's gonna have our head if we don't catch him.
Good golly, Matthew, I think you're right. We're fresh out of Leeds, and I haven't slept in days.
Looks like tonight's gonna be a long one. We better put on another pot of joe.
Oh my god, dude, nobody actually talks like this. This cup doesn't even have anything in it. Can't you see this is a crime scene? What is it? Give it here. It reads, Detective, we're gonna need someone to find the mob murder by next week or y'all are fired.
Oh, Jackson, the situation is dire. Forget those other bastards that have been mobbed. Our job is on the line.
Daggone Matthew, you're right. We're gonna have to sit down and get to business.
Oh, the missus won't be happy that I'm missing my 50th dinner. Pass me that case file. We gotta get moving.
Burning the midnight oil, our detectives are hard at work trying to make this great ambiguous city a safer place. They were just beginning to make some headway.
Lieutenant Detective Volunteer Matthew speaking. All right. You don't say. We'll be right there. Hold your horses, Jackson. We gotta get right down to the radio station. It's a hot mess.
Matthew wowzers and me trousers. We gotta get down to the scene right now.
Our detectives hightailed it down to the WBRO radio station, but nothing could prepare them for the grisly scene they were about to witness.
So what is it we have here?
Well, look at it. You can see yourself.
Good God, it looks like it was electrocuted.
Hey, do we got an idea on this victim? And speaking of that, what the heck flopping is that over there?
This looks like an intern here. His name's Zip. Looks like he was messing with that newfangled computer unit from the city. I'm guessing he was trying to put it together unsupervised.
That there machine looks like it runs at 1 megahertz on straight mercury, nothing but pure testosterone. I bet it has a whole 2 megabytes of storage. That's a whole Cadillac DeVille of comp unit right there.
2 whole megabytes? Gee whiz, that must have cost a pretty penny. Since you're so keen on this technical gobbledygook, why don't you take a look at it and see what's wrong?
Looks like he got the wrong cables. That's probably what fried the poor bastard.
You think someone swapped the cables on purpose?
That's a good thought, but I'm the detective here. What if somebody else swapped those cables? If only there was a service out there that would have helped him pick the right cable for this unit. It would have been useful, and maybe he wouldn't have kicked the bucket.
That Zipper man sure was a handsome fella. Probably a nice guy, too. I think we could have been best friends. Oh my god, this is so dumb. Why am I talking like this?
We're almost finished. Just stick with it.
No, you know what? My character has a gun.
No, you can't.
No, my character has a gun, and I shoot Zipper's body. And I pump 3 more rounds into him. This man gets it.
I heard you guys role playing. It's like, I wanted to get involved. You guys know I'm a dungeon master, so this.
You specifically weren't invited to this meeting because you're always doing this shit. Jesus Christ. That's it. Meeting done. You two, out of here. All right. Who wants lunch?
It's only like 9 a.m.
Perfect. Let's go.